For a cookie clicker game, we might well want to have different icons at different times for specific turtles. What I mean by that is specifically sometimes something is available to be clicked on because you have enough cookies. Sometimes it is not available to be clicked on. You need to make more cookies to unlock it, as it were. So each turtle that you have, you can change its shape at any time. So the way you might go about this, I've got this one hand.gif. And if I open that in, let's open it in Paint, would be great, wouldn't it? Open with Paint. We love Paint. And I'm going to just zoom it in on this a little bit and have a kind of unavailable option made. Maybe I could just grey it out, but I'm just going to do the easiest thing here. I'm just going to draw a red line, perhaps across, like that. And I'm going to save this as a GIF, save as GIF, yep. And I'm going to call it hand2.gif. Save that. I think Paint is a great place to make icons for this kind of game. Certainly while we're in development, and then you can make more refined icons later. So in my program now, I can switch at any point. So for instance, if I have gathered enough cookies in the timer, I can check how many cookies I've got and change from hand2, which is the can't be clicked yet, to hand.gif, which would then be clickable.